Everything starts with a dream. Groundbreaking discoveries, revolutionary ideas, courage that makes the impossible possible. If it weren't for those initial dreams, would our lives be as quick and easy as they are now? For this reason, each dream leaves a mark on the future. Just like our first dream in a 4.5 square meter workshop in Iden in 1978. That dream has now grown into a massive sales and service network through which the produced values are exported to dozens of countries. Polat Makina. As Polat Makina, we design decanters and separators specific to the industry and olive oil sector, and we assume a global role in the manufacturing of products that directly touch the lives of others. Through our designs that come to life in our design base in Italy, we develop exclusive production technologies in accordance with the production capacity and the demands of our customers. We also offer permanent solutions that provide added value with durable and long-lasting machines. Have you noticed the silence? Thanks to our newly developed high-performance machines, we reduce vibration in production and create low-cost, high-efficiency workspaces. We invest in technologies such as reliable data management and analytics through the Digital Transformation Project, which we launched in line with the strength we draw from our deep-rooted experience and our vision focused on the future. By conducting real-time data analysis, we are able to plan preventative maintenance so that our customers can continue production without sudden and unwanted interruptions. In 2017, we obtained the support of Turkey's Ministry of Industry and Technology when our R&D unit was deemed eligible to be an R&D center. Our unit accelerates the development of our country's industry with its rapid, timely, and permanent solutions for technical problems and through TÜBİTAK projects and university-industry cooperations. In olive oil production, where we utilize a dual-motor decanter, we have maximized our production capacity with our new malaxer, which removes the crusher and is able to simultaneously meet 7 different demands in its 7 compartments. We aim to achieve customer satisfaction by continuously offering products and services at universal quality and standards. And we provide our users with an uninterrupted after-sales service network available 24/7. At the most enjoyable of meals, the most savory of moments, and the freshest of mornings, the Polat signature can be found all across the globe. We at Polat Makina, a subsidiary of Polat Group Holding, continue to work with an unyielding passion to draw our inspiration from nature, people, and science, to always offer that which is better for the future, and to be the best in innovation, quality, service, and customer relations. Polat Makina.